Hey, hi guys, this is Akash Verma and you're watching CafeIO. I thought I'll do a different video today. I bought in a gimbal to basically shoot better videos, and this is the gimbal. I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox the gimbal, and the way it's right now is this is just the packaging has arrived. This is Hohem model, which has built-in AI sensor which pretty much tries to track you without an app, which is the only reason I actually bought it. Otherwise there's too many gimbals and this is probably not the most top one. I'm not 100% sure how this is going to perform, but I want to probably open. This is how it looks. The packaging is okay, not bad, not good, not clean for sure. So I'm gonna just try to tear it up very quickly. Yeah, phone kind of fell because right now I've put it in a very bad place. So this is how it looks, and let's just open it. This is nice. Okay, it says make the moment, enjoy it. That's really nice quotation. There's some paperwork. We will keep that aside. There's a lot of stuff here. I think this is a carrying pouch, which is really nice, soft feel. Keep that aside. This is a wire. It has a really nice smell from inside, and then there's a lot of books, which probably I'll show in a minute. The packaging is good, right? There's a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna ever read that, so I will quickly close it. And yeah, that's the gimbal. Looks kind of nice. It's not very heavy, 250, and there's a there's a lever here where it says you to pull it. I'll probably pull that in a second. And then there's another mini tripod which just opens up wide, and it seems to be nice. I think the way to go about it is you put this inside, and there you go. You can increase the length. This is how it looks. There's a good joystick. There's a button over here. There are a couple of buttons, and there's the camera. Let me try to fold the phone clamp when not in use. Unfold. So unfolding does this, and I think this is how it works. It's supposed to get into a position, but I think right now that's not the case. I need to figure out how to use it, and only then I'll be able to work it out. Don't think there's any battery too, so that's also not helping. Cool, that's the gimbal for you.